Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Elephant's Company. A moral story: always keep positive people around you. The king had a huge stable where all his animals lived. He was extremely fond of his elephant. The elephant had a beautiful shed of his own and enjoyed the finest fruit and vegetables. Over a period of time, the elephant began to grow violent and angry. The king could not understand the reason and asked his ministers to find a solution. One of the ministers decided to stay near the elephant's shed for a few nights. He observed that a group of thieves talked outside the elephant's shed every night. They spoke ill of the king and used foul language. The minister returned to the king and said, "My king, please place 2 priests outside the elephant's shed and ask the priests to speak of good values." The king did as he was advised, and soon the elephant was calm and friendly again.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.